classic from the 70s. Quite the cruiser back then. 1976 Oldsmobile 98 Regency hardtop sedan. Green black vinyl roof. Black interior underneath the hood. 455 V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front chrome. Grille, headlight surrounds. This car has been repainted. Wasn't an original green car, but has been repainted a little brighter green, and there is some, you can see some flecks and what have you in the clear on the hood. Paint is not perfect by any means, but shows well. Has a nice luster to it. You can check out the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle. Top side, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Black cloth interior, split bench seat up front. Nicely equipped to power steering, power brakes, AC, although I have not had the AC compressor kick on and off. Of course, I mentioned hardtop sedan before. You can see there's no pillar. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the filler panels on the rear. Take a look at the chrome. There are some, again, some imperfections in it. Check out those still pictures. Take your time looking it over. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Fender skirts do have a little corrosion. You can see there. A little closer look at the interior. Of course, it'd be a nice plush interior on the 98 Regency. Power windows, power locks. A power seat over here on the driver's side. Seats and fabric do show a little bit of wear. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. Wipers worked. I did not have the radio working. Here's the front speakers. Holes were wired once upon a time of speaker wires in there. Flip around to the back so you can hear it run. This sounds as you'd expect a vintage 1976 455 V8 to sound. And I'm going to walk up to the front, pause this 1 second, get that hood open, we'll check out the engine bay and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood, the engine bay, and power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's the components and everything are there for the AC that have not had that compressor kick on right there. So AC may need a little attention. '76 Oldsmobile 98 Regency hardtop sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.